Hey everybody, Ted with Quality Home Inspections. I'm doing his house today in Middletown. Got the shave. So I just want to go over some humidifier maintenance and things to do and not do. And I see this a lot. It's probably my third one of the day and probably my sixth one of the week. What I'm about to show you. So let me flip this around. All right, so on the humidifier, which is right there, it's got a damper, and then you have a humidistat. And if you look, 90-some degrees outside, and it's on. So is the water line. Okay. So the purpose of AC is to dehumidify. So when you're adding humidity into the cooling system, your system has to run a little bit longer, a little bit harder to make it all work and cool your house. So here's what I tell everybody. In the fall, or excuse me, in the spring, you're going to want to shut it down. So you're going to turn the water line off. You got to locate yours, but this one is. You're going to turn the humidistat completely off, and this will be in the winter position. Your damper, you're going to want to turn that to the summer position. Then you're going to pop your lid, and you want to change your filter. Okay, that way in the fall, you're going to do three things. You're going to turn your damper back on. Again, this is in the fall. You're going to set your humidistat setting. That's based on outside temperature. Okay. So if this is fall, I'm going to set it right there, 35. And then I'm going to turn my water on. That's all you do in the fall. Okay. Spring, turn that off. Turn this off. Shut that off. Change your filter. That's it. That's all you got to do. Simple, easy humidifier maintenance. People just don't do or don't know to do, but just saves you a lot of headache, hassle with the cooling season. And then in the fall, winter months, humidifier is ready to go. So thanks for watching. This is Ted with Quality Home Inspections. Catch us on the internet, inspectdelaware.com or 302-883-8797.